Hello everyone. Have you ever walked into a beautifully designed home and instantly felt calm, impressed, and inspired? Often, that feeling does not come only from expensive furniture or fancy lighting, it also comes from the plants. Indoor plants have a wonderful way of transforming a room. They bring life into empty corners, add texture to simple spaces, and make a home feel warm, stylish, and elegant at the same time. The right plant can completely change the atmosphere of a room without needing a full makeover. And the best part is, you do not always need a huge budget to create that expensive, designer-style look. Some plants naturally look luxurious because of their large leaves, rich colors, graceful shapes, or dramatic presence. So in today's video, we are going to explore some of the most expensive-looking indoor plants that can instantly elevate your home decor and give your space that high-end feel. Now, let us get started. First on the list is the beautiful and iconic Monstera. This plant is one of the most recognizable indoor plants in the world. The Monstera has large, glossy green leaves with natural splits and holes that make it look bold, tropical, and incredibly stylish. Those dramatic leaves instantly catch attention and create a luxurious atmosphere in almost any room. One of the reasons the Monstera looks so expensive is because of its strong visual presence. Even a single plant can completely transform an empty corner and make the space feel fuller and more alive. The large leaves create texture and movement, which gives the room a professionally styled appearance. It feels modern, elegant, and very intentional. This plant works beautifully in living rooms, bedrooms, offices, and even dining areas. It looks especially stunning when paired with clean furniture, neutral colors, and natural lighting. A Monstera near a bright window can make the entire room feel like something out of a luxury interior design magazine. Another thing that makes this plant so popular is its versatility. It fits perfectly into modern homes, minimalist spaces, tropical interiors, and even cozy apartments. Whether your decor style is simple or dramatic, the Monstera blends in while still standing out. And as the plant matures, the leaves become larger and more dramatic, making it look even more impressive over time. That growth gives the plant a rich and mature appearance that feels very high-end and sophisticated. If you want a plant that instantly says elegance, freshness, and style, the Monstera Deliciosa is one of the best choices you can make. Next is the elegant and decorative Anthurium. This plant may be smaller than some of the others on this list, but it still has a very luxurious and eye-catching appearance. Anthuriums are known for their shiny green leaves and beautiful heart-shaped flowers that almost look too perfect to be real. The flowers have a glossy surface that gives them a premium and decorative look. They instantly add color and elegance to tables, shelves, desks, and small corners of the home. Anthuriums are often associated with sophistication because they look very refined and carefully styled. They bring a soft, graceful beauty into a room without taking up too much space. One of the reasons this plant looks so expensive is because of how polished everything about it appears. The leaves are shiny, the flowers are vibrant, and the overall shape of the plant feels balanced and elegant. This is the kind of plant that works beautifully in modern apartments, luxury bedrooms, and stylish office spaces. It adds a touch of charm and warmth while still maintaining a very upscale look. When placed in a decorative pot, an Anthurium can look like a living piece of art. Another plant that looks extremely rich and polished is the rubber plant. This plant has thick, glossy leaves that instantly give it a refined and luxurious appearance. The leaves often have a deep green color, while some varieties feature dark burgundy tones that look especially elegant and dramatic. The smooth shine of the leaves makes the plant look almost polished, which is one of the reasons it feels so expensive looking. It has a clean and structured appearance that fits beautifully into modern and contemporary interiors. Unlike some plants that look wild or overly tropical, the rubber plant feels controlled, balanced, and sophisticated. It adds beauty to a room in a quieter and more subtle way, which actually makes it feel even more premium. This plant works wonderfully in offices, bedrooms, living rooms, and entryways. It pairs beautifully with ceramic pots, wooden furniture, and neutral interiors. A healthy rubber plant in a stylish planter can completely elevate the feeling of a room. Another reason people love this plant is because it has a timeless appearance. Trends may change, but the rubber plant always looks classy and elegant. It is simple, bold, and effortlessly stylish. If you want a plant that looks luxurious without being overly dramatic, the rubber plant is a perfect option. Next, we have the incredibly popular Fiddle Leaf Fig. This plant has become one of the biggest symbols of modern luxury interior design. If you have ever looked at stylish homes online or flipped through interior magazines, chances are you have seen a fiddle leaf fig standing proudly in a bright corner. The reason this plant looks so expensive is because of its tall structure and its large violin-shaped leaves. It adds height, balance, and sophistication to a room in a way that feels very elegant and polished. The leaves are broad, glossy, and dramatic without looking overwhelming. A fiddle leaf fig can completely fill an empty space and make the room feel professionally designed. It creates a strong focal point, especially in modern homes with high ceilings and clean decor. Even a simple room can suddenly feel luxurious with this plant standing in the corner. The deep green leaves reflect light beautifully, giving the plant a healthy and refined appearance. When sunlight hits the leaves, they almost shine, adding even more richness to the room. This plant is especially popular in minimalist interiors because it adds natural beauty without cluttering the space. It has a clean and architectural look that works perfectly with modern furniture and neutral color palettes. Although the fiddle leaf fig can sometimes be a little sensitive and requires proper care, many plant lovers still consider it worth the effort because of how stunning it looks. It brings personality, elegance, and structure into the home like very few plants can. Philodendron is one of those plants that quietly makes a room feel more elegant without trying too hard. It has a soft, lush appearance that brings warmth and richness into any indoor space. Many philodendron varieties have large, deeply green leaves that look full, healthy, and beautifully balanced. That fullness is part of what makes the plant feel so expensive looking. It creates the feeling of abundance, as if the room has been styled with care and attention. Philodendrons work especially well in modern homes because they have a calm and natural beauty that blends easily with different types of decor. They look stunning beside a clean sofa, near a window, or on a stylish plant stand. Some varieties also have interesting leaf shapes and textures that make them feel a little more special and distinctive. The best part is that philodendrons bring a polished, luxury-inspired feel to the room while still feeling relaxed and welcoming. They are the kind of plants that make a space feel finished, tasteful, and thoughtfully designed. Now let us talk about the bold and dramatic bird of paradise. This is the kind of plant that immediately grabs attention the moment someone walks into the room. Its large tropical leaves create a luxurious resort-like feeling that makes a space feel fresh, open, and expensive. The bird of paradise has a very grand appearance because of its height and wide leaf structure. The leaves are large and elegant, almost similar to banana leaves, which gives the plant a tropical yet sophisticated personality. It looks like the kind of plant you would see in a luxury hotel lobby or a high-end vacation villa. One of the most beautiful things about this plant is the sense of movement it brings into a room. The wide leaves create a natural flow that makes the space feel more alive and dynamic. Instead of looking stiff or heavy, it feels airy and graceful. This plant works especially well in larger spaces with lots of natural light. Living rooms, open corners, and bright apartments are perfect places for a bird of paradise to truly shine. When paired with modern furniture and clean decor, it creates a very luxurious atmosphere. As the plant grows taller and fuller, it becomes even more impressive. The dramatic foliage adds depth and character to the room while still maintaining a clean and elegant look. If you want your home to feel bold, tropical, and high-end, the bird of paradise is an incredible choice. Calathea is a plant that adds artistry and visual detail to any home. Its leaves are often filled with bold patterns, rich colors, and striking textures that make it feel almost hand-painted. Some Calatheas have dark green leaves with light stripes, some have purple undersides, and others have intricate patterns that look incredibly decorative. This is what makes the plant feel so luxurious and unique. It has a very refined, designer-like appearance because each leaf looks interesting enough to be admired on its own. Calathea is perfect for shelves, coffee tables, plant corners, and smaller decorative spaces where people can get a closer look at its beautiful patterns. It brings character into the room in a soft and elegant way. Instead of looking plain or generic, it adds depth, color, and personality. That artistic quality gives the plant a premium feel, almost like a living piece of decor. If you want a plant that feels stylish, expressive, and a little more special than the usual greenery, Calathea is a wonderful choice. Now let us move on to one of the easiest yet most stylish indoor plants, the ZZ plant. The ZZ plant has thick, waxy leaves that grow in a neat and structured pattern. Its leaves are naturally glossy, giving the plant a healthy and polished appearance all year round. What makes the ZZ plant look so expensive is its simplicity. It does not need giant leaves or bright flowers to stand out. Its beauty comes from its clean shape, deep green color, and modern aesthetic. This plant fits perfectly into minimalist and contemporary interiors because it looks sleek, organized, and elegant. It is especially beautiful in offices, bedrooms, and modern living rooms where simple decor is preferred. Another reason people love the ZZ plant is because it is incredibly low maintenance. Even with minimal care, it continues to look healthy and beautiful, which makes it ideal for busy plant owners. The glossy leaves reflect light softly, adding richness and texture to the room. It is the kind of plant that quietly improves the entire atmosphere without demanding attention. Simple, modern, and timeless, the ZZ plant proves that elegance does not always need to be dramatic. Dracaena is another plant that creates a very sleek and sophisticated look. Its tall, upright structure gives it a sense of presence without making the room feel crowded. The leaves often grow in neat arrangements, which makes the plant look clean, balanced, and modern. Some Dracaena varieties have bold stripes or subtle color differences that add even more visual interest, while others have simple green leaves that feel crisp and elegant. This plant works beautifully in corners, hallways, and office spaces because it adds height and style in a very controlled way. It can help a room feel more complete and well designed, especially when paired with minimal furniture and neutral tones. One of the reasons Dracaena feels expensive is because of its architectural shape. It looks intentional, polished, and refined, like a natural design element rather than just a decorative plant. It is especially useful when you want to make a space feel taller, cleaner, and more upscale. With the right pot and placement, Dracaena can become a subtle but powerful statement piece. Areca Palm brings a soft tropical elegance into the home. Its feathery leaves spread out gently, creating a light and airy look that feels refreshing and luxurious at the same time. Unlike plants that have heavy or dramatic leaves, the Areca Palm has a graceful flow that makes the room feel open and breathable. It adds movement to the space in a very natural and soothing way. Because of its shape, it often gives off a resort-like feeling, almost as if your home has been transformed into a calm vacation retreat. Areca Palm works beautifully in bright living rooms, sunny corners, and open spaces where it can grow freely and show off its soft, flowing form. It is especially lovely in rooms that need a touch of warmth and softness. The plant feels elegant without being overly formal, which makes it easy to style in many different types of interiors. Whether the room is modern, cozy, or tropical-inspired, the Areca Palm fits in beautifully while still adding that expensive, polished atmosphere. Another stunning plant that looks incredibly luxurious is the orchid. This plant is one of the most graceful and refined indoor plants you can display. Its flowers have a delicate beauty that immediately gives the room a sense of elegance and sophistication. Orchids are often associated with luxury because of their polished appearance and the careful, balanced way they grow. The stems are slender and graceful, while the flowers are soft, colorful, and beautifully arranged. This makes the plant feel very premium and tasteful. Orchids are perfect for tabletops, desks, dressers, bathroom counters, and small decorative corners where you want to add a touch of beauty without taking up too much space. Even though they are not large plants, they make a strong visual impression because of how delicate and stylish they look. An orchid in a beautiful pot can easily become one of the most eye-catching details in a room. It adds softness, charm, and a luxurious floral touch that feels refined and timeless. If you want something elegant that instantly makes a room feel more polished, orchid is always a wonderful option. Finally, Chinese evergreen. This is another plant that deserves attention because of how full, graceful, and polished it looks. Its patterned leaves and compact shape give it a very balanced and elegant appearance. It has a calm beauty that makes it easy to style in many types of interiors. Some varieties feature soft patterns, muted tones, or attractive color variations that make the plant feel more decorative than ordinary greenery. Chinese evergreen is especially useful when you want to add beauty to a room without making it feel too crowded or too dramatic. It brings a soft, sophisticated presence that can make the whole space feel more complete. It looks lovely on its own and also works very well as part of a larger plant arrangement. Because of its neat shape and gentle visual appeal, it creates a very welcoming and refined atmosphere. It is the kind of plant that quietly improves the room and makes it feel more put together, stylish, and expensive looking. So, if you are decorating your home and want that expensive, high-end look, these plants are a perfect place to start. They bring beauty, texture, and personality into your space while making it feel fresh and sophisticated. The best part is that you do not need a huge budget to create a luxurious atmosphere. Sometimes, all it takes is the right plant in the right place. Which of these plants is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more plant inspiration. Thanks for watching.